Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are near Hosa Road Junction, that is near Electronic City Flyover, Jail Road, that is in Beritena Agrahara, right next to Shobha Silicon Oasis. And there is a building for sale, rental income property, ground floor. It is built on 3040. Ground floor you have go down, first floor 2 BHK owner stay, and second floor 3 1 BHK, third floor 3 1 BHK, and fourth floor 3 1 BHK, and fifth floor 3 1 BHK, and sixth floor you have 2 studio, and above that you have tanks. So it is a corner building. So regarding the locality, if I tell, this is near so exactly it is near Hosa Road, just 1 kilometer, 950 to 1 kilometer from Hosa Road, and from Hosa Road junction it is 1.5 kilometers. So distance wise, in 3 kilometers or 4 kilometer radius you have Peset School, PES IT Electronic City campus, then you have Infosys, then you have Bosch, TVS Logistics, then High Tech, many, like how it is. So you have non-IT and IT crowd, both crowds you have. So non-IT is very closer. Then you have IT crowd, that is Infosys and all, at just 4.5 kilometers from here. This is the surroundings. This layout is total BBMP approved layout. So from here, Nice Road junction also is just 4.5 kilometers. So that is major advantage. Then you have metro station at just 1.5 kilometers from here. That is near Audi showroom, this BMW Jeep showroom. You can see the flyover. I'll show you from the terrace. So talking about this facing, you have southwest corner. This is west facing entrance you have, and this is south facing. So very good ventilation is been given. You can see in all the floors you have many windows. So you can see even this side and another side which you have seen, and all the floors you have north facing entrance, all the 1 BHKs and owner stay. So in ground floor, as I told, it is total go down. So very good ventilation has been given, and comparing to the distance in this from here, Hosa Road and Electronic City flyover is just around 1 kilometer, and 4 kilometers you have all the IT company, that is Infosys and many other companies. So all around is east facing side, you have total ventilation given. So let's go inside and have a look. So it is G plus 5, ground floor total go down, first floor 2 BHK, second floor 3 1 BHK, third floor 3 1 BHK, fourth floor 3 1 BHK, and fifth floor 3 1 BHK, sixth floor 2 studios. So it is G plus 5 plus half. So let's go inside and have a look. So here you have go down entry, one entry from here, and here you have a stay small. Then this is way to first floor. Total secured grills all around for shifting purpose. And there is first floor where you have 2 BHK owner stay. It is totally secured, and you have a grill. So let's go and have a look. So this is 2 BHK owner's stay. So total teak woodwork is done. It is north facing entrance, and you have total fencing all around. A small setback is here. So this is north facing entrance. Very beautiful interiors has been done, and this whole floor is made of red bricks. So here you have living area. This side you have common washroom plus bedroom, 2 in 1. Then next you have one bedroom, and on the left hand side dining area, puja room. Then you have kitchen with utility area. So this is living area. So this is dining area plus you have puja room here, and this is the kitchen plus utility area you have. So you have very good ventilation from all around, as it is a corner building. So this is one bedroom with attached washroom. Very good interiors has been done with wardrobes and very good false ceiling, POP work. So this is particularly for owner stay, and here you have another bedroom. So this is bedroom. So this is another bedroom. It is well semi furnished. So you have washroom. If you close this door, this washroom becomes this becomes common washroom, or if you open the door and close this door, it becomes attached washroom. So quick view. This is living area. Then you have kitchen, dining area, puja room, one bedroom and another bedroom with attached washroom. Both are having attached. So let's go to second floor. So secured entry. So separate owner entrance. So from here it starts for second floor. Total rental purpose, and for each floor you have openable grills for easier shifting. So second, third, fourth, fifth, all three 1 BHKs. So this is north facing 1, north facing 2 and north facing 3. So 3 1 BHKs, and all around you have grills for safety and security, and very good ventilation has been given. You can see windows all around. So this is one model. So I'll show you one model of each floor, and rest will be similar. So this is 1 BHK on first floor, living area, like then here you have kitchen, bedroom, hand wash area and washroom. So this is washroom. Geyser is there and all fittings. So this is living area. As I told, total flooring is of marble. You can see even on the rental income property, means on the rental income floors also you have marble, and windows are of UPVC. And this is kitchen. And this is bedroom. You have total wardrobes. And all around ventilation you have UPVC windows. Good quality of construction, and even interior works has been done, spending a lot of money. So 1 BHK living area, kitchen, bedroom, hand wash area and washroom. So this is second type, north facing entrance. You have living area, then kitchen here. This kitchen, then here you have bedroom, total wardrobes with good ventilation and marbles in all the floors. So same setup, other or four bedrooms of similar way. So there's a washroom. So this kind of four is there. Then first bedroom which is of 1 BHK, similar 4. Then another which we are seeing, that 4 we have. So total 12 1 BHKs plus 2 studios. So this third which is similar setup. This kind of 4 units you have. Living area, kitchen, then here bedroom, and here you have washroom, common hand wash area, and all storage you have here. You can see ventilation which is being given in this bedroom. Even here you have windows, even here you have windows. So this is washroom. So this kind of 4 units are there. So 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4 of other one, then again 1 2 3 4 of last one. So total 12 of this kind, each floor 3. So exactly we are on second floor. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So each floor 3 unit. Second, third 3, then fourth 3 and fifth 3. Then sixth you have 2 units. So this is first floor, and all the units is having meters, water meters. You can see. So let's go to third floor. Here 3 it has been done. So total you have grill works for safety purpose. So this is third floor, 4, 5 and 6. 6 units. Same setup as I have shown you earlier. Third floor, 6th. And here you have 4th floor. So this is 4th floor. You can see all marble. 4th floor, 7, 8 and 9. Same setup, same water meter. So this is 4th floor. You can see in 4th floor all even here you have this door. and this is 5th floor. Ten, 11 and 12. So this is 5th floor. 12 1 BHKs has been done here. Now we are on terrace floor. Here you have two studios. This is one studio, and here you have another one. So this will become on the 6th floor, 13 and 14. So total 14 units plus one owner stay plus one go down. So this tank room, like tank room, they have made two studios. You have two tanks. From here you can see Electronic City flyover. Here you have Electronic City flyover, which vehicles are going, and metro station must be this side somewhere. So it is just walkable distance. You have metro station, as I told. So ground floor you have total go down. This is total corner building, which is southwest corner. Ground floor you have total go down. First floor owner stay 2 BHK. Then second floor 3 units. Then off 1 BHK. Third floor again 3 units. Fourth floor 3 units. Fifth floor 3 units. And sixth floor you have terrace. And tank room you have two tank, that is 2 studio rooms. So it is total 15 units plus go down. So total 7,800 square feet built up area. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.